Acupressure 1, 2, 3. Now today we're going to talk about how to use acupressure to instant relief groin and hip pain, right? So it's more like groin pain because hip is on the side, right? And groin is over here. Because the reason I say groin is because we're gonna talk about focus on spleen meridian. So where is spleen meridian? And we're gonna follow acupressure 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now acupressure 1, 2, 3. 1 is looking for the sick meridian. So where is the pain? Once you know the pain, you know where this meridian is. Okay. So the meridian is over here. This is spleen meridian. So pain will be in here. Again, that a lot of meridian, 3 of them go through in the groin. 3 meridian, which is stomach meridian, spleen meridian, and liver meridian. Okay, so liver meridian, spleen meridian, stomach meridian. Now, this is acupressure, right? You acupressure 1 through 3, right? For most of you, you probably didn't realize, didn't know about meridian, right? If you're an acupuncturist, you'll be easier to find. Or even though you're an acupuncturist, because this is a very sensitive part, you know. So we know pain over here, around here. So you can try to balance stomach first. If stomach doesn't work, then you jump over to balance spleen, and then jump over to balance liver. Okay, I would suggest you balance 3 of them at the same time, so you won't miss any meridian in here. Okay, so we talk about stomach meridian, how to balance it. Okay, how to do acupressure point for this one. We're going to talk about how to do where is the acupressure point for this area when it's involved with spleen meridian. All right, so acupressure 1, okay, over here. Acupressure 2, then we're gonna find out the balance meridian. So balance meridian, we need to know what is the full name of spleen meridian. The full name is foot tie in spleen meridian. Then we're gonna use hand tie in, because tie in treat tie in and foot treat hand. So foot tie in lung meridian, which means you're gonna use the opposite side of lung meridian. This is lung meridian, the blue one. Okay, so lung meridian. Now, which part of lung meridian is in here, is in here, or in here, that can treat here? Okay, we're using this is acupressure 3, right? We use shoulder to treat hip or to treat groin, right? So shoulder over here, but we don't have any point, acupressure point over here. But what you can do is, so the point over here, we say between Tian Fu and Yunmen, and Tian Fu and Yunmen is the code is lung 2 and 3. Tian Fu is 3, 2 is Yunmen. Okay, then I forgot to show you the point around here is Phua, Chong and I call Qimen. Okay, and that's spleen 13, 12, and 11. So in between here, so it's actually because more it doesn't have any point exactly on the groin. It's at between. Okay, so which means you get at between Tian Fu and Yunmen, which is lung 2 and 3, and at between here, and to get the sensitive point, most sensitive point and more tendinous spot, and work on here, then you'll be able to get the pain relief over the groin. Okay, so again, 2 techniques. Number 1 technique, when you get the acupressure point, you press it and rub it. Okay, do not rub it on the skin, like on the surface. Just press it and rub it like this. Okay. The second, you get to the pressure point and you press it on. Just stay in there for 1 or 1.5 minutes. Okay. Once the tendinous spot in here, it will release, it weigh off itself, and then you slowly take it off. That's it. That's how simple it is. Okay. So when you get to the first point, You release the first point, and then you go to the second point. If the pain's still there, and you find the next point, 3 or 4 point around here, around the shoulder, and you'll be able to get instant relief from here. Okay, so that's it. That is all I want to talk to you about instant relief for groin pain when the pain involved with spleen meridian. Okay, now I'm gonna tell you that if you're an acupuncturist, you see this video. Okay, I have created a group called Dr. Tan's Balance Method Acupuncture and Acupuncture Spirit and Acupuncture JIYI Acupuncture. Okay, I'm gonna do a free live video on my Facebook group, on the group that I just mentioned. So the link of it is on the description. If you see this video on YouTube, okay, it's on the description, and you just have to click in and answer 3 simple questions. Remember, 3 simple questions. You have to fill in 3 simple questions to be able to access to the group. So next week, next Friday, next Saturday night, from 8 to 10, we're gonna talk about how Dr. Tan's Balance Acupuncture instant relief pain. I'm gonna share with you 2 systems. And for the rest of you, if you just a massage therapist or a chiropractor, you're not an acupuncturist, you're not using needles, just stay in here, or we have another group for you for acupressure Facebook group. Okay, you're welcome to join that, and that is in the description as well. Go and read the contents and see which group suitable for you. Then we're gonna talk about JIYI Acupuncture. So JIYI Acupuncture is great for when it comes to structure change. Okay, we're gonna talk about to show you, it's free video and for 2 hours, and we're gonna talk about how you can use JIYI to treat lumbar herniation issues. Okay, so I'll see you tomorrow night, and the same time we're gonna talk about again on the groin and hip pain, but on other meridian, which is a gallbladder meridian, which is pain over on here, which a lot of people have this pain. Okay, we're gonna talk about tomorrow. Okay, stay tuned, and you stay awesome, and I love you all. See you. Bye bye.